Hey everyone, it's MJ. Guess what? It's new pen day. I got myself a brand new pen for a project that I want to work on. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, here we go. I went with another Conklin. I have such a great writing experience with this Conklin 1898 Misto in green. When I was researching a stub nib, they had one. I wasn't breaking the bank with it, and I know from this pen that it's probably going to be decent. This is my first Conklin 1898 Misto. And this is in a medium nib. And this pen is what allowed me to break outside the fine and extra fine. This is a pleasure to write with, and it is chunky, and I love it. So let's get to the stub. Are you ready? Congratulations on your new pen. Enjoy a smooth writing experience, and thank you for visiting our brand. Oh yeah. I went with the amber. It's lovely. Have you tried Conklin pens? Beautiful. And this is the stub nib. Converter. One and a half revolutions to turn. And there's 2 cartridges and the instructions. Let's fill it with some ink. All right, here's 2 choices. What do you think? I love the weather. This is Birmingham Pen Co. This is Weathered Papyrus. And this is Turkey Feather. I think Turkey Feather is a perfect match. But I don't know if I want to be matchy. Because this is to practice, this is to practice my lettering. So, decisions. I think we're going to go with Turkey Feather. All right. Let's fill it. Super smooth. Super smooth. What do you think about the color? That's beautiful. This pen was under $40. I want to say it was $38. And I'm so glad I got the amber. This is perfect for practicing my handwriting. This is perfect for rolling into the autumn season with the black and the orange. It's a stunner. I honestly think, and this is just my experience with these two pens, that Conklin is a little underrated, you know? Like, look at that misto. Look at the swirl and the colors. It honestly is a delight. And this is so smooth. It's going to be wonderful to practice with. Thank you guys for all of your suggestions when I asked about what pen I should get for practicing lettering. The majority voted for the 1.1 Stub, and that's exactly what I got. All right, everyone. So what do you think? What do you think of my Conklin? Is Conklin popular with the fountain pen crowd? Why is no one else talking about Conklin? I mean, I have not had a bad experience. I will say the first pen that I got was obviously used. The ink was not flowing. I sent it back, got a new one, and it's perfection. It's perfection. And I got it at such a good price. This coming in at $38 is not bad. This is not a $300 pen. It may write like a $300 pen. This is not a $200 pen. It may write like a $200 pen. I just think that they are reasonably priced, and they write lovely. I don't know what to say. Conklin, give me a shout. All right, everyone. And what do you think about the ink? I love this pen company so much. I love the ink company so much. I gotta control myself. Why did no one tell me this would be so addicting? Why did nobody tell me this hobby would be so addictive? Oh, but it's so satisfying. I love it. All right, everybody. I hope you are all doing well. Make sure that you take care of yourself so you can take care of others. And I will see you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, goodbye for now. Fill those pens and write those words. See you next time.